In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a video in HubSpot email. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to create a new email where you want to embed your video. So we're going to go over here to marketing and I'm going to click on email. Now, from the email section, I'm actually going to create a new one. But of course, if you have existing emails, you could also go and use those. It's going to work the exact same way. I'm actually going to start from scratch just to show you how to do this. And then there we go. Inside this email builder over here, we're going to go to the plus button top left to open up this add menu. And then here you can see there's going to be a bunch of different things. And then down here under media, you have image and video. So here you want to click and drag this video where you want it to be. So I'm actually going to go and drop it down here. And as you can see, there we go. A new block is going to appear, which is the video block. So it says you have to add a video URL or select the video. You actually have two options. So I'm actually going to first show you the video URL. Click on this. And of course, here you can select if you want to embed. So it says video type. Click on embed. And then you want to go and paste in your video URL. So in my case, I'm actually going to use YouTube over here. And there we go. It embedded my video just like this. Okay. That's the first way to do this. But of course, there's also one more way, which is simply selecting the video from your computer, uploading it, and then using it as a video in your email. So if I click on select video, it's going to pop up this window where you want to click on upload videos, and then you can use your computer or Google Drive. I'm actually going to go with computer, and then I'm going to use this tutorial video I have here. So I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to click on open. Once you've done this, it's going to upload. This is going to take a few seconds to actually finish. And once it's done, you'll be able to select the video and embed it. So there we go. I'm going to click on it like this. And there we go. As you can see, once you click on it, the video has been embedded into your email. So those are all the ways to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.